What's up, everybody? I'm here with my new co-host, the Bear. The Bear. Don't eat the mic, don't eat Jeff. He loves you. So, what's happening, everybody? It's been a fucking minute since we did one of these. We're gonna come back hard. We're gonna come back strong. That's what we do. Since the last time, look at this. The 2 new books are out. Hardcore Kitchen and Unfuck Your Health. The recipe for the burrito that I'm doing today comes out of here. And these books, 3rd pressing, 1, 2, 3 pressing, sold out in a matter of hours. In the new year, we're doing a new pressing. But all of these ingredients are simple as fuck. It's just about having the scruples, the knowledge on how to put all this shit together and make a great meal. So we're gonna do some incredible burritos with rice, peas, almond slivers, Seitan, which is organic wheat gluten, and then we're doing a organic broccoli with a creamy almond dressing. It's gonna be dope. Stay tuned. We're gonna get cracking right now. Boom! Right? Give me a pour. You took a boy. Take this motherfucker everywhere. He got my back. So I'm gonna give you guys a recipe for this. Like I tell you every time, you don't have to worry. So what we do with the rice, we got organic basmati rice, we got salt, we got turmeric, we got almond slivers, and organic sweet peas. So that's gonna be the filling for the burritos, besides the Seitan plant-based sour cream and the rest of the good stuff. Stay tuned. So cooking, as I always tell you, is about patience. It's about laying all your shit out. Like I say in Hardcore Kitchen, don't get verklempt. Lay your shit out. Know what the fuck is going in everything, so you're not stressed out. Have it all prepared. Get the fuck out of my way, Jeff. I love Jeff. Jeff, what's up?
What up?
So here we got the rice, right? So what's in the rice? The rice has rice and peas terrace. And then we got organic turmeric. We got the peas and we got almond slivers. So this is going to be one of the fillings along with the Seitan. And Jeff said to me before, yo, what's up with that shirt? You know what's up with that shirt? Let me tell you. Zenja, baby. This is the real deal shit. All right. So what's up? Here we are. We're going to do the Seitan, right? Which is the wheat of the protein. And what we do is we put a little bit of organic toasted sesame oil, and we're gonna whisk that together with this incredible Thai peanut sauce, right? And then we put the Seitan in there, and we're gonna marinate it for a minute, and then we're gonna put it in the air fryer to fucking, look at that. We're gonna bake, we're gonna fry the fucking taste and the flavors into this Seitan. Seitan takes on whatever spices you cook it in, much like tofu. I like this better than tofu. It tastes better than tofu. So stand fast.
Quickness, here we go.
Look at the bear. Look at the bear. What's the bear want? Sit. Got 6 burritos going in the oven. All the ingredients. Everything is timing. Everything is timing. You know what the stages are. So we're gonna do all this, clean up a bit. I'm gonna make the dressing for the broccoli, and then we're gonna steam the broccoli and serve this shit to my man Jeff. Peace.
Chef Joseph, here we go.
Look at that. Creamy almond dressing with broccoli. Look at that fucking burrito. Homemade seitan. Plant-based cheese. Plant-based sour cream. Rice and peas. Taras. What ya think? What ya know?
How's it taste?
Damn. Look. There. Look at that shit. Look at that.
Hold it.
You think Irish motherfuckers can't make Mexican food? Holy shit, check out my burrito. Look at that. Gonna put the recipe. Guys are gonna have everything. Don't forget, check the books. And the fourth pressing's coming soon. I want to thank Chef Pliskin. I want to thank my co-host, Bear. He's waiting to tear it up.
Me and the bear. Let's go.
The bear! The bear!
Shout out to the bears. Alright, we're here live. We got broccoli eating bears.
Get the broccoli. Get the broccoli. You got the broccoli. Alright, let's do it.
How do you like broccoli? Alright, I'm about to experience this vegetable. Thank you so much.
Brother.
We're about to eat.
That's what's up. Organic, motherfucker. Don't panic, motherfucker.
Hip hop.
Hip hop and you don't stop.